Hello, introduce myself. My name is Nola Pitu. Here I will explain a little about my critical journal review entitled Language Change and Social Context in Mass and Social Media. Okay, here is more information about the journal that I will review. Okay, next, in the critical journal review conducts, the knowledge that I gathered in this journal is 1. Discussing language change in mass and social media, analyzing internal or in language and external or due to external influence change, especially in vocabulary. 2. This result also examines the social context surrounding language use. It is explained that the social context influence language understanding among mass and social media users, such as the use of loans words from English, such as Facebooker in social media. And 3. Change in language, especially in vocabulary, often occurs in mass and social media. That change can be caused by external influence such as word absorption. There are strengths and weaknesses in the journal. Strictness 1. The journal clearly outlines the internal and external language change occurring in mass and social media, with examples from the Padang Express newspaper and Facebook. 2. It explores the role of social context in language use, effectively explaining how understanding between speaker and listener. Weakness 1. The study only uses on newspaper or Padang Express and one social media platform, example Facebook. This narrow scope may limit the generalizability of the findings the other forms or mass and social media. 2. This journal does not extensively explore the broader implication of the language change of linguistic theory. This is the summary that I got when doing a critical journal review. This study discussion between internal and external language change outlined by Warthout. Internal change inherent to the language are phonological, morphological, and syntax, while external change arise from external influence or borrowing of vocabulary, addition of poems. Vocabulary change is quite significant, including the adaptation of terms such as Facebooker and the use of everyday language in the context of social media. Understanding language shift depends on the social environment and relationship between speakers. Context helps avoid misunderstanding in communication. Language change in dynamic with external evaluation and external influence shaping it. Social context plays a significant role in the interpretation of language, especially in certain media platforms. Okay, and the next, when doing a critical journal review, I got several questions for the journal. One of which was yet one, how does social context influence language use in mass and social media?